Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming where your contact's live and why they might be hidden. Open Settings, tap your name, then iCloud and turn contacts on so iCloud can sync. Next, go to Settings, right arrow Mail, right arrow Accounts, and check each email account. Enable contacts for Gmail, Exchange, or others. In the Contacts app, tap Groups and select every account. Once done, the app will refresh and surface contacts that were simply filtered out rather than deleted. If toggling accounts didn't fix it, use the provider's restore tools because they keep snapshots. Sign into iCloud. Com and open contacts to verify presence, then go to Account Settings and choose Restore Contacts to roll back to a previous snapshot. If your contacts are stored with Gmail or Exchange, sign into that webmail, check contacts/people, and export a vCard to import on your iPhone. Make sure to enable contacts sync after complete recovery by forcing a fresh sync and, if necessary, restoring a backup. Go to Settings, right arrow Contacts, right arrow Accounts, right arrow Fetch New Data and set push or an appropriate fetch schedule, then pull down in Contacts to refresh. If you have an iCloud or Finder/iTunes backup with contacts, restore the device backup as a last resort. If nothing appears, re-add the email account and reboot. Troubleshooting tip: if contacts still vanish, check the provider's trash or recently deleted and restore there before resyncing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.